Hi, it's Dr. Grant Pagdin here, and we're talking again about bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. People have asked whether they need to follow a specific diet when they're on bioidentical hormones. And the simple answer is no, there's no particular diet associated with bioidentical hormones, but healthy nutrition forms one of the pillars of health. So I do focus on trying to eat plenty of fresh fruits and veggies, as organic as possible, having a good quality source of protein like grass-fed beef and free-range chicken and wild fish, those kinds of things, and keeping your consumption of processed foods, particularly sugars and high fructose corn syrup, to an absolute minimum. So that would be my dietary recommendations for anybody as they're aging, and this is the way really to age optimally. It combines very nicely with a bioidentical hormone program because this will also be moving your health forward, keeping you at the peak of your performance and production as you age.